Hey beautiful, it's Carly. I just wanted to reach out really quick because you have popped up on my list for this month for red. No, not the red zone. Oh no, anything but that. Okay, so just in case you don't know me, I am your purple status upline, and you have popped up because you are in my company, my circle, and I wanted to make sure that first of all you knew that you were in the red, which means you have until midnight at the end of the month to get your 3-month rolling PRS to a total of $125. Now, what does that mean, or how do you know where that's at? Go log on to your website, go to your back office under My Company. You'll look at the very last column where it has your 3-month PRS. Take 125 minus that number, and that's all you need by midnight the end of the month so that you can stay active and keep rocking out your YBiz, okay? If you have any questions, and just keep in mind that it is a rolling 3-month PRS. So what that means is for February, what that includes is your sales for November, December, and January. So then once February is over, then November would roll off, and then it would be December, January, and February for March. Does that make sense? So that 3rd month keeps rolling off. So whatever that sales were for that month, once that's gone, you may then pop up into the red again and again and again. One way to stay out of it, out of the red consistently, is to either sell or purchase $42 a month. If you do that consistently, you'll never have to worry about it, okay? And also, if you can make a habit of purchasing the kudos that we have, usually the price point on that, you'll never have to worry about it as well. I love having you on the team. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, I'm always here. If you need some ideas for sales or parties or whatever, make sure that you are in our Glam Guild group on Facebook. I know that some of you aren't familiar with it, with the changes in leadership. I wanted to make sure that you are plugged in. There's daily trainings, encouragement, support, just all kinds of things. So search for that, get you added so that you can be plugged in. Have a great month. If you need anything, I'm here for you. Thanks. Bye.